What up, friends? My name's Kevin Schulman. Today we're gonna be working on a vintage, and we're gonna be doing a battery and battery tender. So hang tight, we'll show you how it's done. Step one, remove your seat. She had 3 bolts, one on each side and one in the rear. I had to remove the one in the rear because the guy ended up breaking it, so we'll have to solve that one a little bit later. But 6mm Allen. And you'll have the saw up and back. Voila. We're gonna go ahead and remove this right here, which is gonna be 1 bolt. 5mm Allen. Up, and twist forwards and out. You're gonna twist this out of the way. All right, you're gonna want to use your 6.5-foot long screwdriver, and our battery strap that we have. You gotta always put your name on it. Go ahead, remove the negative first. Move that out of the way. Get the positive. Get that out of the way. All right. Go ahead, get your battery strap. Just makes it easier to remove. There you go. Now you have your battery out. All right, go ahead, drop your new battery in there. We got our battery strap back on. Goes in, falls in pretty easy. All right, we're gonna reattach the terminals in the opposite direction. So positive will be our first, negative will be our last. We also gotta install our new battery tender. Go through the positive and lose your other terminal. Trusty 6.5-foot screwdriver. There go our negative. Get ready to do our negative. And when you're putting it on, you have this little lip right here. That's the nut side. Put it through here like this because I don't want to get electrocuted. I'll kind of guide it there. Use my screwdriver and not get electrocuted. Put this on. Did you see this little green thing right here? I put this tab right in front of it and then slide that one all the way around. So we're gonna make sure everybody starts. I have to run it because we're gonna do an oil change too. Okay. We have new issues. So now that we have new issues, we're gonna go see if we figure it out. We're gonna start out with the spark plugs, just checking the one at least. Right here's your spark plug. Juicy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. We'll clean these up, see if we can get started. We're just gonna go ahead and pull out this front one, see if we can clean it up or replace them. Be careful removing your spark plugs too, because they'll get caught in your rocker box and it is a nightmare. Done that once, won't do that again. God, I hope not. Yeah, he's just gonna have to replace these. Let's see. Look at that. That's the front one. So we got the front and rear. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's just not looking healthy. So a tech tip from me to you is when you come up across problems like this or diagnostics, always start with the cheapest items first because those are the lowest quality. So keep that in mind. Spark plugs, fuses, stuff like that is usually where I start. Battery terminals too. So check to make sure your batteries are tight. We're gonna go ahead and measure these out. 1 millimeter. Make sure the spark plug gap's right. Pretty good. Always measure them before you replace them. So you're good. So we're good here. What I like to do is put a little anti-seize on these too. So if we ever have to remove them again, it won't be as bad. To get this going, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get it in right, but eventually I'll get it. So it took me like 5 minutes to get that spark plug standing up right. Hopefully I got it. Let's find out. Oh yeah, we're good. There you guys go. You guys got some bonus footage. Let's see if we got this to work. What do you guys think? Will it start or not? 3, 2, 1. Warm up so I can do an oil change on it. So you guys better like, subscribe, share, and then stay tuned for our oil change. So now it's probably really hard to hear me right now. So, oh wow. Well, that last video sucked a little bit when I started up the bike, but we got it to run. It was the spark plugs being an issue. It was all juiced up inside, so it took a little bit to get it running, but we did get it going. So hey guys, just hang tight. We're gonna be doing an oil change on this next. And so stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Alrighty, peace.